So, papunta ako ng bayan ngayon just to check some cage. Sobrang init. Pero, get lang. Quick fit check. Pahili. Sige pa.
Hindi pa ako eh.
Di pa po.
Tapos sa isang buwan lang dito.
Oo nga po eh. Kuya. Ito yung T. Lorenzo's Cafe. Okay, thank you. Wow, small bags. May mga salads po kayo.
Salad ba? Meron nandito.
Ito. Look, their salad. Sobrang laki ng serving. Look, their serving. That's so good. Look guys, sobrang dami nila mag-serve dito sa Lorenzo's. Look. Hello guys, so I just finished eating. So yung total ng bill na inabot ko ko is 970 pesos. So, di na yun masama for me kasi sobrang dami ng serving and masarap yung coffee nila. Kaso yun nga lang, wala silang option kung anong size yung gusto mo, and I think that's one of their marketing strategy. So, but yeah, the place and ambience is good, and so you can visit their branch here in Lawag. So I'll just put the caption and the video, so try them.